Hey guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Crystal. I do DIYs, reviews, hauls, and much more. Today I'm going to show you how I did some indoor decorations using simple items such as cardboard, permanent marker, glitter, Mod Podge, and a pencil. So basically here I took my wreath forum and a picture of Jackskeleton and just sketched out a picture of him and started using permanent marker to draw all his outlines. You can use a full poster board. I didn't have one available, so I ended up doing a bunch of cutouts of his body to piece him up as a puzzle, but you can definitely use a larger white cardboard instead. But if you're like me and you don't have enough, um, try and put him like a puzzle and draw all your pieces in separate cardboards, and then you're going to glue him together. Next, I'm just using a hot glue gun to glue on all his pieces, his arms basically, and his legs together. And then going back with the permanent marker for the lines of his pinstripes. Now I'm just going to take some Mod Podge and glitter that I've got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to spread that all around his bow pieces. And here is the finished look, guys. I basically put glitter on his bow tie and his shoes only. Next, we're going to work on Zero's tomb. Again, if you have a full white cardboard, this would probably work 10 times better. I didn't have that, so I just used my pieces that I had left over from my other projects, taped them in the back, and glued it in the center so that way I had one large piece. Then again, I just looked for a picture online and drew everything out. So now I'm just going back with a permanent marker and outlining and filling all of the black areas. So here I'm just filling all of the black areas and trying to add a little bit more detail to Zero's tomb. You definitely can use paint if you want to. I just wanted to make this really simple, and that way things would dry quicker, so I opted for the permanent marker instead. But if you want to use paint, by all means, go for it. I think these cutouts would look really nice with wood instead of cardboard, but I am not handy with wood work stuff. So right here, I'm just taking glow in the dark paint and going over Zero's name. I thought it would be really cool to have that stand out with the black light, and also filling in the bones and the little head of the dog with glow in the dark paint as well, just to give it that extra pop and detail with the black light. A sponge would probably work better, just so it would be even out and you won't see your glow in the dark strokes. So keep that in mind. If you don't want to see strokes, opt for using a sponge. So here I'm just taking some leftover glitter from one of my daughter's crafting kits and going over the areas where I painted the glow in the dark paint. And then also going over the paint one more time in the glitter, so that way everything glows in the dark. You might want to do a few coats of the glow in the dark paint just because it will be brighter. And here is the finished look with a little bit of ghost. Again, using leftover cardboard. Here's a Sally one that I worked on the other day. I did not show you guys how to do this one only because it took me 2.5 hours to create Sally on the cardboard. It was a lot of paint work and detail work, so I didn't want to bore you with the long video of Sally. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when the next videos will be up. I also recommend checking out all of my Halloween tutorials from the previous years. I will create a playlist so that way you guys can check those out. And that's it. I will talk to you guys later in my next video. Bye.